regularization, on duty, and permission setup in Zoho People. So far, we have discussed about different options through which an employee can check in and check out on a daily basis. Apart from this, there are other scenarios. For example, an employee wants to manually rectify or manually correct the attendance entries that is already recorded. Or an employee is not able to check in or check out due to a business trip. Or an employee wants to leave early, or an employee might come late to office. So these are all the other scenarios that an organization wants to address. So using the regularization, on duty, and permission feature in Zoho People, you will be able to handle all the above scenarios. So let's start with the first option, that is regularization. In order to access it, navigate to Settings, and from Settings, Attendance, Configuration, and there you have this option, regularization. So this option will help an employee to raise a request whenever they want to manually correct an attendance entry. For example, an employee is working from home and started working at 9 a.m. in the morning, but the employee missed to mark the attendance. So in this scenario, they would need to manually enter the attendance entries, for which they can raise a regularization request. And these are all the few settings that you can add with respect to regularization. So you can add the reason for regularization so that the employee will have an option to select the reason. And you can add few more restrictions here. The number one, which is the number of days within which the employee has to raise the request. And number two, for a particular week or for a particular month or pay period, how many regularization requests an employee can submit. And last one being is, can an employee submit regularization requests for a future date? These are all the restrictions that you can add. You can also set up an approval process here so that whenever an employee is submitting a regularization request, it will follow an approval process. Only when the request is approved, the new entries will be updated in the system. Next, we'll see about on duty. So if an employee is ongoing a training, or if an employee is in a client place or on a business trip, they will not be able to check in and check out on a daily basis. So in these conditions, they can submit an on-duty request from Zoho People. They can submit an on-duty request for a full day, half day, quarter day, or even on an hourly basis, depending upon the duration that you update over here. And you can also update the on-duty types for an employee to choose when raising a request. And we have two more restrictions that you can have under on-duty. One is making the reason as mandatory. So whenever an on-duty request is submitted, the employee has to provide the reason. And the next option is about restricting submission of on-duty for future dates. And you can also set up an approval process for on-duty requests. So whenever on-duty is submitted, it will go for approval, and only if the request is approved, it will be considered as present inside the system. This is about the on-duty. And finally, we have the hourly permission option. So under configuration, click on hourly permission. So you can set up the permission option over here so that if an employee wants to leave early or if an employee will be coming late to office, they can raise a permission request. And the added permission will have an impact in the total working hours of an employee. So first step is, as an admin, you need to configure the permission. So click on add permission, where you can give the permission name. And you can also set the applicable condition. Is this for a particular week or for a particular month? And mention the allowed duration. So let's say an employee is given 2 hours of permission every week. And you can also set up the minimum time request they can avail and the maximum request that they can take. And you can also set the number of permission requests that they can avail for a particular week or for a particular month. If you have a condition where so the permission request is not applicable to all users in the organization. It is limited to a specific group of people. If that is the case, you can set up the applicable condition either to all users, or you can make it applicable to a specific user based on any one of the condition that you see in this dropdown. So once the permission configuration is done here, employees will have an option to raise a permission request, which again can follow an approval mechanism if approval is set. So only when the permission request is approved, it will be included as a part of total working hours. So this is about the permission setup in Zoho People.